Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Okta Verify from one phone to another. All right, so let's begin with the video. To transfer Okta Verify from one phone to another, start by installing the Okta Verify app on your new device. Open the app and tap Get Started. Then proceed by tapping Next. From there, select Add Account and then choose Organization from this menu. Once here, tap Add Account from another device. The app will ask for permissions like Bluetooth. Make sure to allow them so the transfer process can work smoothly. Once permissions are granted, you'll be given two options to move your account. Either scan a QR code or enter a code manually. On your old phone, open Okta Verify and follow the prompts to generate the transfer code or QR code. Then use your new phone to scan or enter that code, and your account will be securely transferred. It's important to know that this process requires access to your old phone. If you no longer have it, you won't be able to transfer the account yourself. In that case, you'll need to contact your organization's IT support or help desk so they can reset your Okta Verify enrollment and help you set it up again on your new device. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer Okta Verify from one phone to another. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.